Welcome again, YouTubers. Please forgive me for the classroom setting, but at times it is necessary to do something like this because sometimes the actual components themselves does not allow you to explain certain things. For example, what I'm going to explain in this video. Now, the topic here is while the vehicle is idling, a cause of engine vibration. Now, these are two diagrams. This is a throttle body system. This is another throttle body system, but both of them are the same throttle body. Now, this is the throttle body that is clean. This is the one that is dirty. Now, let me go ahead and explain how the air flows with the clean throttle body, and then I'll move on to the next one. Now, first of all, you notice how the air is flowing here, and it is flowing past this section that is right here. Now, here is a small opening that the butterfly sits on, and this small opening allows somewhat what you call idle air to flow through when the engine is idling. And if you notice the free flow of air, and as if it is flowing very freely in a particular pattern into the area where it enters this section where it is sucked into the combustion chamber. Now, this is how the air is flowing in the clean throttle body. Let us move along to how it flows in the dirty throttle body. Now, here, if you notice, the air that is flowing is similar to the air that is flowing in the clean throttle body. So this is the dirty one. However, as it reaches here, because of this restriction, the air is curved and bounced to the other side of the cylinder of the throttle body. And as it does this, it creates what you call a turbulence inside this area. And if you know how a turbulence operates, turbulence creates some form of restriction. So as the engine is trying to suck in that air, the turbulence that is there is in a way trying to prevent that suck in. So this in a way is causing an engine vibration because of the restriction of the air not going into the engine as freely as it should. But apart from that, the major restriction is right here. Now this restriction right here is created by air flowing with small dust particles, and as it mixes with oil, it forms what you call something like a sludge. And the sludge that is built up here, it is as if it is preventing the air from flowing freely through this area that you would call the idle area, where the idle air flows through. So there creates the restriction. Now, how do you remove this restriction from here? Now, after you remove the throttle body itself from the engine and you unplug the electronic system, you would get some carburetor cleaner, and you would clean the butterfly, all this section of the butterfly from top straight down. And what you would do is to get a piece of cloth and you would spray some of that carburetor cleaner on the cloth. And then next you take your finger, press down on the butterfly, and it will actually cause the butterfly to open where you can have access to this area of the cylinder to clean it. So you can put your finger here with the carburetor cleaner on it, on the cloth, and rub it until the sludge is removed from this area of the cylinder. And you can do the same on this side. Once you press on this down, this will give you access right here, and you can clean this section, and you can also clean the butterfly itself. Now, this is how you go about cleaning the throttle body to ensure that the throttle body is clean and you have free flow of air through it. Now, please, if you think this video is of some benefit to you, don't be afraid to press that subscribe button, and thank you for watching.